Aha. Ja, lekker. Come on everybody. Tout le monde. Sounds great. Sounds good. Everybody. Aha. Okay, this much. Continue. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. In Africa, when there's something to celebrate, performers and audience are not separated. Everybody with hand clapping, with singing, with dancing, everybody joins in. This is something we can learn from Africa. Come on, a little louder. Louder. Ah. Nice one. No. Only 3. Yes. Wow. They're good, eh? Yeah. Okay, let's make it better. Go down. No, go down. Go down low. Go down low. Go down much low. No. This one is only 2. They're good, huh? Only 2. We have to work together. You have to listen to each other. This one, continue. It's like Africa. Tempo. Quicker.
Let's go.
Yeah. Come on, everybody, come on.
Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, how are your hands? How are your sticks? Your hands are a little sore. Okay, everybody, shake a little bit, like this. And maybe move your shoulders like this, yeah. And the neck also, very important, like this. Relax a little bit. and the face muscles. Can you do it again? No, this is the European way. We do the African way. It's like this. Yeah, everybody? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. No. I need a little bit more sound. 1, 2, 3. And go down deep. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. We go down, then we take 2 hands, and we take new energy like this. First go down, then go up. 1, 2, 3. And wow. We're gonna do it one more time. Go down, take new energy, and when you're on the top, we hold our breath for 30 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Okay. We are Drum Cafe. We do the sessions all over the world. And all over the world, we have the special Drum Cafe ending. It's very simple. I'm going to put you in a rhythm. All of a sudden, I do 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we all do a big bang like this. But we all do it like this. But all together like this. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we put the arms in the air like this. Yeah? And then we say, yes!
Yes!
That's very simple. But we have to practice. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Not so good. No. Okay. Let's shake it again. Maybe we have to relax some more. Yeah? And stretch your fingers. Stretch it. And slowly squeeze. Yeah? Shake it again. And stretch it. And squeeze. Stretch. Squeeze. No. It's not working now. Shake it again. And while we're shaking, we turn to our right. Turn to our right. And the drumming, the hand clapping you did, you can do it on the shoulders of your neighbor.
Yeah.
We call this the African massage. Yeah? And then we continue with the French massage. And then we take the Greek massage. Okay, sorry. And to be fair to our neighbors, we take the other right, do the African massage, and the Thai massage. Okay, let's try the ending one more time, yeah? Big bang with your hands like this. Put your arms in the air, and then you say, yes. Okay, one more time, in the rhythm. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! No. Okay, you know what? We're going to do it one more time in slow motion. Everybody, take the start position like this, yeah? And with slow motion, you can look like this, huh? Can you also look like this, yeah? Okay, ready, yeah? 4, you can look as ugly as possible. 4, 3, 2, 1. That looks good, eh? Okay, one more time, slow motion. But more ugly, eh? Sorry, I have to count first, eh? 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Now you get it?
Yep.
So first the big bang, then your hands in the air, and when you go down, you say yes.
Yes.
I'm going to put you one more time in the rhythm. But in the ending, you will be a little bit shocked. Because my brothers from Africa, they start to shout. Yeah? But you're all going to shout. You can shout out all the stress from the day you were born. You can shout it all out. This shouting takes about 30 minutes, 30 seconds, and then I come. 4, 3, 2, 1. Puff. Yes. Are you ready? Come on. I want to thank you that you shared your energy with us. We are Drum Cafe. Today you are the orchestra. Applause is for you.
Ja. Dank je. Dank je.